So this is the tourist route, and then there's another route that's called the miners route. So must be two different options you can go on. We're doing the tourist route.
You are the one person who holds the banister. I have also good news. We become back up by lift, by elevator. And now please follow me. Number 20 away.
Going through a series of airlocks, that's what this door is. Stops the wind whistling through, I think.
Beginning of the exhibit, you can see it's like this. And now, please take a look inside the lower part. The one and the lower, for example, bird. Here the mine is excavated, the figures of silent quality that they carry in the vessels.
Alright, we're just on our way out now. We've finished the guided tour. Just make your own way out through some of the chambers they use for restaurants and weddings. So we're still 100 metres below the surface here. All the walls are carved out of salt. It's been amazing. Well worth it.
Wow, yeah, no, don't open it. Oh.
Just jump.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe the steps were better.
Okay, so
Okay.
go ahead. Thank you.
Of course. Thank you.
Thank you. Back out to the sunshine. We survived. We just popped down here before we catch our bus back into Kraków. Have a look at this beautiful roof on this building, which I'm going to guess is either an old town hall or something like that. I'll have to look it up.